the word a group to refer to a collection of people or things. One group of people, group of students, group of friends. A group of people gathered at the entrance. The teacher divided the class into a group of students for the project. I'm going out with a group of friends this weekend to describe an organized or defined unit. And then study group, work group, focus group, and me meet twice a week for our study group sessions. One, she leads a work group focused on product development. One, the company interviewed a focus group to get feedback to indicate a category or classification. An age group, income group, target group. The program is designed for the 18-25 age group, and the policy will mainly affect the low-income group. The ad campaign is aimed at a specific target group, to refer to a musical or performance ensemble, then rock group, jazz group, music group. The rock group released a new album last month. It plays Dre's drums in a jazz group on the weekends. That music group became famous after just one hit song, to indicate the act of arranging or assembling, when in group together, group items, group by. Please group the students together by skill level. You should group items by category to stay organized. Let's group these files by project type.